it's Christy from Homes and Things, and in today's video we are going to be touring the Cook. It is a Clayton Homes. It's out here at Custom Homes of Cordele, Georgia. It's 3-bedroom, 2-bath. It's a little over 1,300 square feet, and I can't wait to show it to you. This is what the Cook looks like on the outside. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-home, a little over 1,300 square foot. It's a cute little old house. I can't wait to show it to you. Not going around the back on this one because I don't feel safe against a fence with a lot of shrubbery. So let's just go in the house and see what they got. All right, y'all, this is the Cook. It's not furnished, but it's absolutely the cutest little house. So let me show it to you. This is your living room. This line by Clayton tends to have the lighter cabinets and that feature wall. I love the light colored flooring that it has as well. Just an absolutely gorgeous house. You've got lots of space in this living room for your furniture. You've got lots of lighting in here as well. Love it. So this is all your space in your living room. It's open concept. It opens up into the dining room. This is the dining room area right here. You've got 2 big windows in your dining room. You've got lots of space for your dining room furniture or however you want to decorate it. And it overlooks the kitchen. The island on this home is turned this way, which is cute and unique. I love it. You've got lots of pantry storage around your refrigerator. You've got countertop space. Your sink is in the island, but you have a nice size island and lots of cabinet. I love the gray backsplash. You've got drawers and cabinets over here, and you've got tall to the ceiling cabinets. Really nice. These are 3 sections of cabinets over here. So you've got lots of cabinet space. Next to your kitchen, you have the butler's pantry. This whole line features this area, which helps to give you additional counter space, especially for your drink station. This window opens, and as you can see, you've got plugs and things over here. You also have this additional storage area through here. This would be a nice area for a desk or for maybe refrigerator or deep freezer, extra refrigerator or deep freezer. Your hot water heater and AC are behind those doors. And then next to the butler's pantry, you got your back door here. And on the other side of this wall is your laundry room area. So your plug-ins are down there, and then you have this space up here for storage. Really nice. So we're gonna go back through the house and I'll show you the rest of the house, because your master and your additional bedrooms are all going to be down this hall. So you saw that area that I said would be nice for a desk or a deep freezer is right here. It opens into this hallway. So you can get to the kitchen that way, or you can get to the kitchen from the living room. All right, the first room down this hallway is a bedroom. So this is your first bedroom. You've got a standard closet there. Really nice. So this is your first bedroom. The next room is a bathroom, really dark. I'll try to insert a picture, but that's your bathroom. And then this is your second additional bedroom here. Slightly smaller, but not a bad space, especially for people that don't pay bills. So your kids would have a nice room, really nice. So that is the second bedroom. And then across from that bedroom, this is your master. This is for people that don't care about having their bedroom on the same side as the other rooms, which is how homes were many years ago. Now everybody got to have the bedroom split. This bedroom has a walk-in closet. Nice size walk-in closet. And then you have the master. So as you enter the master, you've got your double sinks and mirrors there. You also have, and that's wallpaper. It's not like glass backsplash, it's wallpaper, but it looks just like it. Really pretty. So you got your double sinks and mirrors there. Your toilet is straight ahead. That window opens, and then you've got this huge shower. Really nice. You got your footstool, you got places to put your soap and stuff. You can change that out to a bigger shower head. There's can lighting in here, really gorgeous. You've got 2 lights over the sink, so you can put LED lights in here and make it nice and bright. Really nice master. I always put, if there are any pictures of this home, I've always put the pictures online in the video as well, so you can see what it looks like with furniture, especially when you have a home that's not furnished. But this is the cook. It's by Clayton Homes. It's out here at Custom Homes of Cordele, Georgia. This home starts at $114,000. $114,000. Now that does include basic setup and delivery. Any additional will add to the price, but if you're interested in talking about this home, make sure you drop down in the description box and contact Custom Homes of Cordele, Georgia. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video.